How to move Windows 11 taskbar to the left. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll show you a quick and easy guide on how to move the taskbar in Windows 11 from its default position to the left side of your screen. Firstly, let's locate the taskbar settings. Right-click on any empty space on the taskbar to bring up the context menu. Next, hover your cursor over Taskbar Settings and left-click to open the settings. The Taskbar Settings window opens up on the screen. Now, in the Taskbar Settings window, scroll down the Settings window to find the Taskbar Behavior section. Under Taskbar Alignment, you'll see options like Left and Center. Click on Left to move the taskbar to the left side of your screen. As you can see, the taskbar has now shifted to the left side of the screen. You can customize it further by adjusting its size and other settings according to your preferences. And that's how you move the Windows 11 taskbar to the left. It's a simple tweak that can make your desktop layout more convenient, especially if you prefer a different screen arrangement. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you found it useful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.